My name's Gregory Gundelfinger. I'm the CEO of No Roaming. No Roaming has developed a technology that eliminates roaming charges by attaching this sticker to any SIM card and then reinserting it back into your phone. You download the app and you have the ability to access networks worldwide at 85% cheaper than what your home carrier would charge you. When you arrive home, it then switches you back onto your home network provider and remains dormant. It's all prepaid roaming and you have no risk of overspending. It is all in real time and can be tracked in our app, which is available on the iOS store and Play Store, as well as a mobile app. You can buy it off our website, www.noroaming.com, and we ship worldwide for $30.